Consciousness. The universe awakens. The universe is vast and mysterious, an endless expanse that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies, each with its own unique story and place in the cosmos. But there's something even more profound than all of these: consciousness, the very essence of our being. Consciousness is our ability to experience the world around us, to feel, to think, and to be aware. It's what makes us human, connecting us to each other and to the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. What is the role of consciousness in the universe? Is it merely a fleeting phenomenon, or does it hold a deeper significance? Is it just a byproduct of our brains, a complex interplay of neurons and synapses? Or is it something more fundamental, a core aspect of reality itself? For centuries, philosophers and scientists have pondered the nature of consciousness, debating its origins and its implications. Is it a separate entity from the physical world, existing in its own right, or an integral part of it, woven into the very fabric of existence? Could it be that consciousness is not just a product of the universe, but a fundamental aspect of it, a force that shapes and is shaped by the cosmos? What if the universe isn't just filled with stars and galaxies, but also with awareness, a cosmic consciousness that pervades all? These questions are at the heart of our exploration into the nature of reality, driving us to seek answers and expand our understanding. Join us as we journey into the fascinating intersection of science and spirituality, ancient wisdom and modern discoveries, uncovering the mysteries of consciousness. We'll explore the idea that consciousness is not merely a passive observer in the universe, but an active participant, shaping the fabric of existence itself, influencing and being influenced by the cosmos. Get ready to expand your mind and embark on a quest to understand the true nature of consciousness and its profound role in the universe. A journey that promises to transform our perception of reality. The cosmos is calling, and it's time to awaken to the wonders within and around us, to embrace the mystery and marvel at the beauty of existence. Ancient echoes, wisdom of the ages. Ancient traditions have long recognized the significance of consciousness. From the yogis of India to the shamans of the Americas, there is a shared belief that consciousness is the foundation of reality. These cultures didn't see consciousness as separate from the universe, but as woven into its very fabric. In ancient India, the Upanishads, sacred texts dating back thousands of years, proclaimed Aham Brahmasmi, meaning I am Brahman, the ultimate reality. This suggests that our true self, the core of our being, is not separate from the universe, but one with it. This concept resonates with the idea of a universal consciousness, a fundamental awareness permeating all things. Similarly, ancient Chinese philosophy speaks of Tao, the underlying principle of the universe, and Qi, the life force that flows through all things. Taoism emphasizes living in harmony with the natural world, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things through this universal energy. These ancient teachings, passed down through generations, offer a glimpse into a worldview where consciousness is not an afterthought, but the very essence of existence. They invite us to look beyond the material world and recognize the profound interconnectedness that unites us all. Could these ancient insights hold clues to unraveling the mysteries of consciousness in our modern age? the quantum enigma, observing the observer. In the 20th century, quantum physics emerged, shaking the foundations of classical physics and our understanding of reality. This new branch of science introduced concepts that were not only revolutionary, but also deeply perplexing. Quantum experiments revealed that subatomic particles exist in a state of potentiality until observed. These particles do not have definite positions or velocities until they are measured. The act of observation seems to collapse the wave function, forcing the particle to choose a definite state. This phenomenon is famously illustrated by the double-slit experiment, where particles behave differently when they are being watched. This observer effect suggests that consciousness plays a direct role in shaping reality. The mere act of observing can change the outcome of an experiment, indicating a profound connection between the observer and the observed. It challenges the traditional view of an objective universe, independent of the observer. Classical physics, which dominated scientific thought for centuries, assumed a reality that exists regardless of whether it is being observed. Could it be that consciousness is not merely observing the universe, but actively participating in its unfolding? This question has sparked intense debates and further research into the nature of reality and consciousness. Moreover, quantum entanglement, the phenomenon where two entangled particles remain connected regardless of distance, further blurs the lines between observer and observed. This mysterious connection defies classical explanations. Changes made to one entangled particle instantaneously affect the other, even if they are light years apart. This instantaneous connection suggests that information can travel faster than the speed of light, challenging Einstein's theory of relativity. This challenges our understanding of locality and suggests a deeper connection between particles than previously imagined. The concept of locality, which states that objects are only directly influenced by their immediate surroundings, is turned on its head. The implications of quantum physics are profound, suggesting that our consciousness may be intimately connected to the fabric of reality. This interconnectedness could mean that our thoughts and actions have far-reaching effects on the universe. The universe begins to look more like a vast, interconnected web of relationships than a collection of separate, independent objects. Every particle, every event seems to be linked in a complex, dynamic network. As we delve deeper into the quantum realm, we open ourselves to a new understanding of the universe and our place within it. This journey into the quantum world is not just a scientific endeavor, but a philosophical one, challenging our very perception of reality. One didi so forth, so call one and a yes, this fair.
Met een lelietje verwoorden hebben is net met dat horse maar jet voor me shield. It connects everything in the universe. It resonates deeply with the ancient idea of universal consciousness, a notion that has been explored by philosophers and spiritual leaders for centuries.
Could this unified field be the source of both matter and consciousness. However, this serious question that challenges our understanding of reality, and the artist again invites us to explore the very fabric of Earth existence. Is today is died of the possible that everything we perceive as separate and distinct is just a manifestation of this underlying field of energy. And this idea that suggests that the boundaries we see are merely illusions. If so, and this is that consciousness is not that a separate entity, but
an integral aspect of this unified field, interwoven with the very essence of the universe itself. Imagine a vast ocean with waves rising and falling on its surface. Each wave appears unique, yet they are all part of the same body of water. The waves appear as separate entity, but they are all connected and a part of the same ocean, moving in harmony with the currents beneath. Similarly, individual consciousnesses may be like waves in the oceans of a universal consciousness, thus interconnected and inseparable, each contributing to the whole. This perspective offers a profound shift in how we view ourselves and the universe, and encouraging us to see the interconnectedness of all things. It's just we not isolate beings, but interconnected experience of a single unified reality. This is playing a role in grand responsibility for ourselves and the world around us, fostering a more harmonious and empathetic society. It invites us to see the universe as a symphony of energy, with consciousness as an integral part of its harmonious melody, on each note contributing to the beauty and complexity of the whole.